And on the eighth day, God looked down at a world unfinished, filled with vast empty spaces, roads that needed connecting, cities that needed building, dreams waiting to rise from the dust. So God made a construction worker. He said, I need someone willing to rise before dawn, lace boots tight, carry the burden of steel and concrete, endure blistering heat and freezing cold, who finds strength in sweat and honor in hard work. So God made a construction worker. I need someone strong enough to lift beams, gentle enough to guide machines with precision, steady enough to work high above the earth, and brave enough to go deep beneath it. Someone who understands that their hands shape not just buildings, but homes, schools, hospitals, and hope. So, God made a construction worker. God said, I need someone who sees dirt and imagines foundations, who sees chaos and imagines a skyline, someone who at day's end brushes off the dust, knowing tomorrow brings more aches and pains, but also pride in a job done right. So, God made a construction worker. I need someone whose dedication goes unseen, whose daily victories go unnoticed, who doesn't ask for praise but quietly smiles, knowing their work makes civilization possible. Someone whose craftsmanship stands as silent testimony, whose legacy is written in steel and stone, asphalt and timber. So, God made a construction worker. I need someone to teach their children the value of hard work, integrity, and perseverance. Someone who shows that dreams aren't just built in our hearts, but by calloused hands that refuse to quit. So God made a construction worker. God said, I need someone who will work tirelessly in shadows so the rest of the world can thrive in the light. Someone whose efforts are invisible yet indispensable, whose sacrifices hold communities together, whose labor bridges divides and connects generations. So, God made a construction worker, and he looked down at his creation, the humble builder, the quiet hero, and said, It is good.